Hi, welcome to the Lenovo booth at ISE 2023. My name is Sean Langley. I'm a worldwide technical consultant for Smart Collaboration. Here, I want to show you the new Google Meet Room Kit Gen 3. So we moved on from the very successful Gen 2 with a hardware refresh. So it's mainly changes under the hood on the compute, like a new generation processor on there, and we've also added a few new USB-C ports on the back, allowing for greater connectivity. But rest assured, we still have our color-coded power over Ethernet ports, which connect to the peripherals. So that's the speaker bar, the camera, the microphone pucks, and the touch panel. They are all power over Ethernet, powered directly from the compute. You don't need any PoE injectors inside, and of course this allows for very flexible installations where you might want to extend cables because it works on regular Cat5e cable or higher. Google Meet Room Kits are available in 4 different sizes. They all use the same compute, but there's slight variations in what speaker and camera configurations they might have. It starts with the Google Meet Kit Small. That has a remote control instead of a touch panel and a speaker bar and camera. Then you move into the Medium Light, which introduces the touch panel, and then the Medium, and then the Large. The Large, the fully functioning large room solution there, can have up to 4 microphones daisy-chained, 2 speaker bars, and has a high-end large room camera on there. Of course, with Google Meet Kits as well, if you need to do deeper integration with third-party control systems and DSPs, reach out to the many great partners out there making certified Google Meet products to put that into more complex spaces on that. If you'd like to know any more information about the new Google Meet Gen 3 Room Kits or any other Lenovo products that we'll be displaying here at ISE this year, please visit lenovo.com to check out more.